Okay, today guys, I'm going to show you how to improve the grip of this L2R2 Psvita pads. So as you can see, I've already started it. Yeah, that's our dog. And yeah, so what I did is I took some packing tape and I crumpled it like this until it forms a mold. Until it forms a mold that I need, that I want to feel, and then I locked it in with more packing tape as much as I need to make it solid. So this is how it turned out. So this is not the final output. I might have to add some, well, this is the best material I can find, electrical tape, to cover up this packing tape to make it feel smoother with this electrical tape, and blend well with the black color of the Psvita and the pad. So let's try the game. And let's try the Vita, a game that has the best use of the L2R2 is that I have is Tokiden 2. Well, it feels pretty good now. I think it did a pretty good job. It has more grip now, because before, with my custom modded grip, it's just this big circle. Easily falls off. It doesn't grip, and this plastic is very smooth, slippery. So that's why I made this grip, to make it more grippable. That's right. Yeah, to give it more grip, more stable, and like this big circle on the back. It's kind of useless. I really have no idea what came to mind with the just manufacturer, but I think it's, oh sorry, hope it's fine. I think it's because if there's a space here, you can still reach out for the back touchpad, but maybe they should have just made this into a grip, handle grip, like this, where it's more easier to hold, more convenient, more sturdy. Yes, I like this one. I'm sorry. Yes, I like this one, but it does not have the L2R2. So let's try to get out to the field and see how it feels without the L2R2. Oops, sorry, I don't play this game much. No idea where I'm going. But this game is pretty good. It's like a open world Monster Hunter. Okay, so here we are. We're out on the field. So in order to activate this demon hand, you need to tap here. Oops. Doesn't seem to be activating if it's upside down. That's weird. There it is. Looks nice. Very gives you a very high-tech feel. But I think it's more fun to have it L2, R2, or in this case the R2. So let's give it a shot with the L2 R2 pad. By the way, I bought this pretty cheap. I think less than $20 including shipping. I bought it through Shopee.ph. So if you leave on the PH, it's easy to find, but it ships from China. Okay, so it's clip-on, easy to clip. My one fear is that it might scratch the plastic of the Vita. Okay, so now we have it. Now it has a better grip thanks to my modded grip, if you call it that. Call it what you will. Okay, so let's try. Here we go. Yeah, it's great. I think it's great. The combos and just tap on R2 and then you go launching to a monster. Which I think it's a pretty great idea. Makes playing the Vita more fun. It's portable and you got L2 R2 just like the regular controller. Okay, so here we go. There we go. It's pretty great. Pretty fun. Just like having a controller. If you're on the Vita or portable. Wow, it's pretty awesome. And it's pretty cheap, easy to make. Okay, so let's try to patch it up with finishing touches. So now when I'm try to put some electrical tape over here to make it smoother, look better, and look black. And let's see how it goes. First I gotta kill the spider. Oops. I think it's dead. Okay, looks like we're doing good so far. There's the electrical tape. So just hold on. Well, it takes some time, but so far so good. I think I'm liking it. I'm liking the grip. Just enough smoothness, but has a lot of grip. Okay, I'm almost done with this side and it looks and feels pretty good so far. Especially it literally almost doesn't cost me nothing. It costs just some money, a little money. That is great. Yeah, the electrical tape sticks pretty well, and it takes on the shape, the mold of the controller handle. Okay, looks like we're done with this side. Yep, it's not perfect. I mean, I'm not a perfectionist, but I have the perfect grip. All right. Okay. All good with this side. Now onto this side. All right, you just hold on. Okay. All right, starting on the right side. Looking cool so far. But if you want, you can do something better than this and use mold some real plastic or other materials that you like. Alright, almost done with this side. I think it's pretty fantastic. It makes me want to. I'm having fun just making this one, and having this grip makes it more fun for me to play my Vita, and makes me want to play my Vita more. Because I have a PS4 Pro now, and I just recently got a Nintendo Switch. Okay, so let me just finish up. Okay, so looks like we're done with the do-it-yourself L2R2 pad modification, and okay, all right, so let's hook it up to the PS Vita. So this is the see this is the touch for the L2R2 there. Okay, snap fit, no problem. All right. Okay, looks like we're all good. Grip is great. It comes in black. It's not perfect, but it is perfect. Just don't have to spend anything. Alright, hope this helps, and if you like it, please share it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.